But today we are going to discuss about organization trees, right? So first of all, we will go to our blog. Last time we have discussed an organization tree and all. So there is already a video is there in YouTube also. You can go through that one. Organization trees will help you to represent this kind of objects in a hierarchical relationship. Business unit or trees, as we already discussed, organization trees, department trees, position trees, and geography trees. So today we are going to discuss about organization trees. So what is the top node in organization tree? The top node in organization tree is the enterprise. Okay. And then divisions, and then legal entities, and then business units, and then departments. Okay. So this is how organization tree would be. I'll click on done button. Okay. So here we are not maintaining any kind of a divisions here. Okay, we are not maintaining any kind of a divisions. Okay, I'll show you the picture. Okay, I have created some of the files so that it would be useful for you. So let us take JP Morgan Chase North America. Okay, this is a kind of a legal entity. This is a kind of a legal entity in US. Okay, so JP Morgan Chase North America is a legal entity. Okay, and JP Morgan Security. This is also a legal entity in UK. JP Morgan Chase SE. This is a legal entity in Germany. JP Morgan Services India Private Limited. This is a legal entity in India. Okay. JP Morgan Securities Japan. So this is a legal entity in Japan. It's Luxembourg. Okay. So total how many legal entities we are having? We are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 legal entities. So what is the enterprise? JP Morgan Chase and Co. Okay. We will rename as it is. The name of the enterprise is JP Morgan Chase and Co. Okay. Now click on submit button. Okay. So now what I'm going to do? So I'm going to create one legal entity, that is JP Morgan Chase North America. Okay. So I think already we are having this JP Morgan Chase North America legal entity. And then we need to create this business units, consumer and community banking. So yesterday we have created the departments, right? HR department, branch and banking, branch and retail department, home lending and all these things. Okay. First of all, I will verify this particular JP Morgan Chase Bank legal entity is there or not. So how I should verify?
Manage legal entity.
So manage legal entity. Okay. So first of all, search whether that particular legal entity is there. Under this particular legal entity, consumer and community banking should be one of the business unit. Okay. So now go to manage business units. First of all, I'm creating all the data. Then we will create a tree. So you need to verify whether this business unit is available or not, right? I think we have created like CCB.
The consumer business unit is there, sir. Consumer banking business unit.
Created a bank business unit, consumer and community branch and retail banking department we have created. So we'll go to manage departments. Okay, manage departments. And what we have to search? So just yesterday I have created a JPMC, right? The JPMC branch and retail banking department. So we have created this one. And this one also, home lending also we have created yesterday. JPMC home lending department. Okay. And same thing, HR department also. What we have created? CCB. CCB means consumer and community banking. CCB means consumer and community banking. HR department we have created. Okay. So one hierarchy we can create. What is the hierarchy? Means one tree I can create. Okay. This is the enterprise. This is the legal entity. This is the business unit. These are the departments. Okay. Already 3 departments have created. Now I want to create another 2 departments. Just for our understanding purpose, I am giving JPMC. So what is the legal employer that share this department? JP Morgan. What is the name? Business banking department I have created. So I have created this one. I want to create the another one also, wealth management. So manually we won't create like this. You take global HR, you take absence management, you take everything. I'm preparing everything. Now you are having these HTML files. So by saying the HTML file, you can practice. Okay. So what is the reporting name? JP Morgan Chase Wealth Management Department. And this is shared by this particular. Now click on submit button. So what is the name of the department? Wealth Management. Wealth Management Department. So now we are having all the data ready. Okay. So now we are having all the data ready for our particular structure. So I want to create, I have already created enterprise, legal entity, business unit, and within the particular business unit, what are the departments that are reporting to the particular business unit. Now I want to create an organization tree so that people, like I want a HR specialist, I want to hire, and only HR specialist should able to view the employee records of the particular departments under consumer and community banking. Okay. So there she cannot access any of the employee records or cannot perform any actions under card services and auto BU. Only this particular departments only she is the areas of she is working as areas of responsibility. Okay. She can hire an employee under HR department under consumer and community banking business unit, or she can hire an employee under branch and retail banking department under this business unit. Okay, we are restricting the access, okay, with the help of organization trees. Okay, so now I'm going to create an organization tree. So go to manage organization tree. So here you can see this one. So you can create create new organization tree. Let's give the name as JPMC. Now what is the organization tree here? Consumer and community banking, because there are so many business units are there here under this particular legal employer. So you cannot say that, okay, this is the organization tree for this particular legal employer. This is organization tree for this particular business unit. Okay. I'm creating an organization tree. What is the name of the organization tree? Consumer and community banking. Otherwise, what we'll keep it as? CCBBU organization tree. Okay, just make it as a shortcut. So here give the full name in the description part. JPMC Consumer and Community Banking Business Unit Organization Tree. Okay. Now click on next. Now click on next. Submit. Okay. I have created one new organization. What is the name of that one? Organization tree. JPMC Consumer and Community Banking Business Unit Organization Tree. Select that one. Go to Actions. Create tree version. Okay. So what is the version now? I'm using one. So if you want to add multiple departments, or if you want to restructure something, you can make this one as end date. You cannot delete that one, but you can make this as end date, and you can create a new version 2 starting from that after that next date. Okay. Okay. Let us take you want to end this one by, let us take 2025 December 31st. So version 2 will be January 1st, 2026. So like that, you can create multiple versions of the same business unit, and you can add more number of departments, or you can interchange, or you can edit whatever you want. Now click on next. So just here we need to give the date. So 1/1/1951. This is a starting date for Oracle. Okay, everything will be started from here only. 1/1/1951. Okay, click on next. Okay, so this is important here. Yesterday, what we have discussed manage department trees. So when you click on plus symbol, all the only the departments will come. Okay, but here when you say organization means anything can be an organization, whether it is enterprise is an organization, division is an organization, business unit is an organization, and then department is an organization. So total anything is an organization. Okay, now click on search. So now we need to say what is the classification of this organization. Okay, first of all, what is the root node here? So what is the root node? What is the root node in organization tree?
Enterprise.
Enterprise. So first of all, in the classification, you need to select the classification as enterprise. Okay, and now click on search. Somebody has changed to A1 Global UK. With before, people are playing with the environment. Just now we have changed it, right? Just now we have changed it to JP Morgan Chase. So now coming back to organization trees. So what is our organization tree name? JPMC, Consumer and Community Banking Business Unit Organization Tree. So now click on tree version. Okay, now just click on version 1/1/1951. What it is saying already it is there. Okay, I think already it is in the draft mode. Okay, now just okay, no problem. Open that now. Now click on next. I want to add the organization. So
Legal entities.
Legal entity.
you are seeing the hierarchy as a tree format here itself, right, in the HTML file. And after seeing also, you are saying business unit means what? So this is enterprise. After enterprise, what I have to add?
Legal entity.
Legal entity. After that, what I have to add?
Business units.
After that, what I have to add?
Departments.
Department.
This is looking like a tree only, right? Tree structure only, right?
Yes.
So it's a completely visible for you. So this is an enterprise. After that, we have to add a legal entity. After that, we have to add a business unit. After that, we need to add this department. Okay. So now I'm adding the legal entity. Now click on plus symbol. So click on plus symbol here. So what is the classification I need to select here? There is a legal employer. Here, search for the classification legal. So legal employer. And now click on search. So what is the name of our legal employer? JP. There are so many legal employers would be there, right? That's why I'm giving here like this. The JP Morgan Chase Bank. Okay. Now click on add it to tree node. So this is our legal employer. Okay. So now under this legal employer, what I have to add? Under this legal employer, I need to add the business unit. So what is the name of the business unit?
Consumer Community Banking.
Okay, I have added the business unit. Under the business unit, what I have to add here?
Departments.
Under business unit, I need to add the departments. So
We
how
need to
many
add
departments are there here? 5 departments.
5 departments.
So just select here plus symbol. Under this HR department, if you want to add under this HR department or under this business unit, it's up to you. Okay, I want to add under this business unit only, as per the requirement of the client. So branch and retail banking department. Now we have given like JPMC, right? So I'm adding all under this one and select one by one by pressing control button. Okay, you can select one by one by pressing control button. Now click on add to tree node. So what is the tree here? What is the root node here? The root node is the business unit. Select this one, click on plus symbol and click on search. Select here department. Search with JPMC percentile. select that one, select control and click on add tree node. Okay, so I have added all the departments under this particular business unit. So it became a kind of a tree, right? How it is looking, same as like our HTML file, right? And now just click on online audit. So why we will submit this online audit is to make it active. At the same time, it will verify any mistakes are there while creating the tree structure. Okay, now click on, just one more time, just go on refresh button, click on done button. So now it is active, right? Now it is active. Okay, now what is the advantage? See, I have created an organization tree or I have created a department tree. So what is the advantage of it? What is the advantage? So I have created an organization tree. So where I'm going to use this organization tree, that is the advantage, right? Suppose you have created a wonderful dish, but people are not eating that food, means what? There is no use of it. Same thing here, when you have created something valuable that needs to be used somewhere else. So where is the use case of this organization trees? In the while creating the data roles. While creating the data roles. Okay. So now go to, in the last class while creating data roles, we have discussed about security profiles, right? Person security profile, organization security profile, all these things we have discussed, right? So now I'm going to create an organization security profile that will restrict the access based upon the particular hierarchy. So now I'm going to create a new one. Click on add. So what is the name of this organization security profile? So what it is showing? JPMC consumer and community banking. Let us say consumer and community banking business unit organization security profile. So everybody will understand. Okay. I am creating a security profile, organization security profile. Only if you assign this organization security profile to a data role, the particular data role is assigned to a particular person. The particular person will be able to view only the data related to this particular business unit. Secure by organization hierarchy. Select this one. Okay. So whether you want to secure by department hierarchy or whether you want to secure by organization hierarchy. I want to secure by organization hierarchy, not the department hierarchy. So what we have created yesterday, we have created department hierarchy. So here we need to associate the department tree. Today what I have created an organization hierarchy, and I'm going to assign the organization tree here. Select the organization tree. So what is the organization tree I need to select here? JPMC, Consumer and Community Banking Business Unit Organization Tree. Okay. This is secured by this particular organization tree and specific organization. What is the top organization selection here? What is the top organization selection? Price. What is the top organization is? Enterprise. This is the top organization. Okay. And now click on submit button. I have created an organization profile, right? What is the name of the organization profile? JPMC, Consumer and Community Bank, JPMC, CCP HR department. Top level organization is CCP HR department. At department level, I have created one organization tree. Today we have created at the enterprise level. We have created an organization tree. Yesterday we have created a department tree. Today we have created a organization tree. So like this, you can create as many trees as you want, and you can do the slices and dices. Okay. And based upon the requirement of the client, you can create a trees and assign that kind of trees to a security profile. And where this profile will be assigned? Where this profile will be assigned? While creating a person security profile. While creating a person security profile, we can assign this organization security profile. Okay. So now secure by Okay, so we will use this organization security profile while creating the data role. So let us take, I am creating a data role based upon the business unit. Okay, HR specialist to data role. Okay, what is the job role I'm going to copy? This is the job role I'm going to copy. Now click on next. So here organization security profile. So which organization security profile I need to select here? The business unit level. I have created a organization tree at the business unit level, and I have created a OSP also, organization security profile. So I can view all the positions in this organization. Okay, I can see all, let us take all the countries. Okay, all LDGs. I can view all people, or I can view all workers. So I can view all the workers in this organization security profile only. Okay, not all the people across the company. Only within this organization security profile only, this view all workers will be applicable. Same thing, view all people, view all documents, view all payroll, view all the flows. Okay, now click on review. Click on submit button. Okay. So I have created an organization. I've created an organization tree. I have created a organization security profile. Associated the organization security profile to data role. So now what I have to do? I have to run one grants. I have to run the grants so that it will be applicable. For that means when you create any kind of new data role, we need to run some grants. Regenerate data security grants. So why we need to regenerate means we have created a new data role, right? So that is the reason we need to submit this process. Okay, for which data role we need to run this one? For which data role we need to run this particular one? What is the data role we have created just now?
JPMC.
HR specialist, consumer and community banking BU data role. Okay. So we have seen complete end-to-end scenario. What is the use case where we are going to use this organization trees? And we have created a data role. Now what we have to do? We have to assign this data role to a particular employee. Okay. So now today we have this HTML file for you in the group. Okay. You create a data group. You create a organization trees for India. Okay. And somebody will create organization. You just to discuss. Okay. What I'll assign is like you create one organization tree for JP Morgan Chase India Private Limited. One person. Okay. One person create for say Japan. Or one person create for the same thing, JP Morgan Chase in a different environment. Okay. Not only in EQs, you can create in some other environments. Okay. Everybody clear, right? How to create an organization tree?
Under the new organization security profile, we have taken CCBU, no, sir, community banking business unit. And these HR specialist BU data role are able to view all this remaining all that departments data.
No, only the departments that are reporting to this particular BU. Because see what we have assigned at the organization security level, organization security tree. So what are the departments? So these are the departments, right? So these are the departments. So these are the departments that are reporting to this particular BU. So the particular HR specialist only can view the employees under these departments only.
All these departments, sir. All five departments.
All these 5 departments.
That's
And suppose you want to create an employee, so they can only create the data only in this particular departments because we are restricting at that legal employer level. We need to we need to create a data role in such a way that we need to restrict the remaining things also. So just I have created a basic level. Okay, that would be enough to practice. So once we are having a proper understanding, we will restrict each and everything. So we need to create the what we call a organization security profile. See, we have given view all role, right? So we need to
Yes.
create person security profile properly, organization security profile, while creating a data role. All of them should be very, very specific. Then only we can able to view what is really required. Otherwise, sometimes it is like or condition. So it give more data. Okay. So first of all, okay, leave about that concept. Have you understood why organization trees are really required? Yeah, to provide the security.
Yes.
To provide the security for the employee. The main object of creating organization trees is to secure the employee records by yeah. Okay, team. So we will meet tomorrow. So please create, or you can create any of your, like suppose you are working in Northwell Health or community health systems or whatever it is. You create on your own rather than going with the JPMC. Okay, then you will have a proper understanding. Okay. Anyway, by next Monday onwards, we will be working on the complete what you call configuration workbooks. All the HTML files will be shared by next Monday. So meanwhile, you practice.
Yeah, thank you.